Hey everybody! As you know, our strategy is that we give all the power to the RTE to configure the boards and to prepare the planning session so that the teams can really focus on planning and the conversations evolving around the PI planning. One of our main objectives we have is to keep the PI planning app simple and intuitive to use. To be able to ensure that, we try to show all the actions possible at any time and reduce number of clicks or tabs required for every action on the board. But there are still some functions which might be hard to find or even hidden. This video is dedicated to these features, so let's jump right into it. The first one, you can either create new sticky notes via the menu, or you can click and hold down anywhere on the board. A new sticky note will appear. Second, if you don't want to zoom in on the board but still need to read a sticky which is too small, just double click it. This enters a quick look mode. After reading, double click at the bottom of the sticky to downsize it again. The third one, to present your plan, you can double-click on each iteration to view the stickies in this iteration in more detail, and in a format you can also throw on your projector. The fourth is about sticky linking. We all know what happens when clicking on the link button on the sticky note. We can link it to a sticky note on the Program Backlog Board. By clicking down on this button and dragging away, we can also create a link to another sticky on the team board. These are invisible links, which only show up when clicking on a sticky note on the board. Next one. Stickies on the team board that are linked to a sticky on the Program Backlog Board have a label with the linked sticky in the upper left corner. You can at any time click on this label to see the stickies it is linked to and also unlink them. The next one is about stretch objectives. You can create new stretch objectives by just dragging down a PI objective to the stretch objectives area. It's as simple as that. The next one is about cleaning up your boards. Use the arrange sticky function to sort your boards and apply a structure to a very chaotic board probably. You can either just sort a single iteration or the whole board. This one is about searching your boards. If you are looking for a certain sticky on the board, you can use the search function. Just click the button or press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Type in the text or ALM key and the sticky will be highlighted on the board. This one is about the size of the font on your boards. Press F1 to activate Scale Up Sticky Text Font for your installed PI planning app. This is not a synchronized feature across all installs. After you activate it, click on Close in the upper right corner to leave this settings page. Refresh the boards and the sticky text will be as large as possible, tailored to each sticky specifically. The next one is about zooming in and out on the boards. You can also use your keyboard to zoom in and out on the boards. Just press Ctrl+I over and over again to zoom in and Ctrl+O to zoom out. This might be helpful if you don't have a mouse wheel. The last one is about what you can do with your boards. During the PI planning or after the PI planning, you might want to capture a high-resolution screenshot of the boards. If you make a normal screenshot, you won't be able to read the stickies, except you have a really high resolution screen. We provide an easier solution here. Just press Ctrl+S on your keyboard and save a high resolution image of the board to a folder on your computer. It's as simple as that. That's basically all you need to know about the hidden features of the PI planning app. If you are interested in real-life hints, hacks and experiences from PI plannings delivered directly from the SAFE community, I recommend checking out our new show called 5 Things I Wish I'd Known Before My First PI Planning. Experienced people from the SAFE community talk about challenges they had to overcome and their key learnings. Every Tuesday we release new episodes on our YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss a single episode, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.